So next I'll build this next one. I'll do the same as I got with that one. This time it's only 3 shelves, not 6, so a little bit quicker. Not 5 rather. Yeah, only 3 shelves, not 5. So I'll get that built, then get that in place, then we can play around the middle bit. First, yes, that's the front. Move it up a little bit first. I've taken me against that. Sit there. This is the other one. This is the magnolia that side, so we know that's correct. Right, again I should put that one on first. On that one, so that's good. Right. Dowel first. Something behind this to stop it coming back over again. That's good. Okay. Okay. Right. And the next one, which will make it more solid. This one first. Okay, that's that one done. Okay, now for this to work, this shelf should fit in that gap. Look at that. What with that piece there causing me issues, and that there causing me issues, I've ended up a good wow difference. So I can take them 3 back to the workshop, cut them off, fit the dowels and pocket screws again, and then come back. Okay, they fit now. Get these other ones down in. The only thing is, with it being so tight, I'm not getting dowels in both sides, but that doesn't matter. I don't need them in both sides. But that's the front. Okay, I've still got the marks here which show me where I want to be height wise, so that helps me level it up. Perfect. It's got to be perfect, but 8. 8. Yeah, that's lovely. The position you're getting doing these jobs. Oops, keep the camera on. get a clamp, pull that together. That's it, continue pulling in. Now it's good and solid. Right, what I want to do now is get some screws, fasten it to the bed, then fasten it to the wall here. And I want to make some cleats to go across the top, which I will pocket screw to the body and then screw that way. These ones I want to put supports under, primarily because them's the ones the kids are most likely to climb into when playing around. These they're not going to, and I don't want them giving. And the bottoms, I will cut some pieces to go under the bottoms. Again, all I'm going to do is just put pieces of that way as a foot under the bottom, and the back will just be a leg down the back. I don't want anything to bring me out too far, especially with that one. It's only 450. If I get a 400 deep draw box, I don't want it restricted. Get a couple of rails in, and then we can do for now. And then that's this stage done, then I can start the framework going all the way around it. So let's go get some screws. Right, just some cleats here. That's the next one here. Little bit tight is that. Okay, that's to be redone. Next the cleats go up the top. Yes, that's good. Right, okay, now I'm going to cleat across the top of there. Okay, take that like that. And straighten nicely each down. Right, number 3. That's number 3. Perfect. That's better. Right, that one also. Right, just a screw in each, and that'll do me. Right, that's the stage of the job done. What I've got to do now is make the framework for it all. I can't do any doors or any drawers until I've got that framework on, because I need to take measurements from that. Now the front framework, as I say, is going to literally surround it all. A little bit difficult over there, I would imagine, getting that shape. But I want to literally make a full frame all the way around. Then there'll be dividers coming down there and going across that way. And they'll all be biscuit jointed to the front. Right, back to the workshop, start making the front framework.